And we're gonna make a corn pasta, literally with corn pasta. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to prepare the sauce, which is really just a bunch of corn and leeks cooked up together. Now, when I make corn soup and corn chowder, the cobs themselves make the water really flavorful and sweet, so throw them right into the pot. For this quick cooking pasta, I'm gonna skip that. But if you wanted to, you can make a little corn broth to fortify. I'm gonna get the corn, some garlic, the leeks, and the chili peppers into our big skillet. When we come back, we'll talk about cheese and lime. For our corn pasta, I've added a couple tablespoons of olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of butter to highlight the sweetness of the corn. We've got the corn in there with 4 cloves of garlic, a couple of leeks, and a couple of chili peppers to balance the heat, will balance the sweet in the corn. So while that's cooking up, we have our corn penne down here cooking up to go along with this, making the dish gluten-free, of course. The big finish is going to be some acidity that we're going to get from 2 small or 1 large lime. I know that sounds weird, but lime juice in this is delicious. With the jalapenos and the onions and the garlic, that flavor of the leeks, the oniony flavor of the leeks, delicious. I've got mint and parsley in combination we're gonna top it with. And now we're gonna move on to the cheese for this pasta. This is called ricotta salata. And it is just that. It is ricotta where the whey has dripped away and it's become solid, ricotta salata. You can also substitute feta. Feta is great in this dish if you can't find ricotta salata. And I like to coarsely crumble this into kind of big, pretty pieces. I'm gonna take a quick break, hurry right back because that pasta is almost ready. Here's how we go. We've got our corn, jalapenos, leeks, garlic. We're going to add to that our lime juice for brightness and acidity. We drained our pasta a minute or 2 less than the package directions for al dente. Why? Because it's going to continue to cook as we toss all of the sauce or all of the ingredients with the pasta. With our corn penne. And we're going to marry that with our starchy cooking water. And our cheese. And now we stir, stir, stir. And I'm gonna throw most of our herbs in as well. And I just save a little bit extra of the cheese and the herbs to go up on top to garnish.